Hello, and welcome to another installment of Mobile Sec Mondays. And in this video, we're going to solve the CrackMe Challenge Level 3. So let's get started. So you'll notice on the left-hand side, I have my intro to Android Security Virtual Machine. And on my right side, I have my Android x86 emulator. Also, on the left-hand side, I have burp started, listening on port 7000 for all interfaces. That's what the star is. And again, this is to set up Burp Suite for my Android x86 emulator. If you want to know more about how to configure that, look at those videos because I will not explain it in this one. Also, for the port, you can make it anything except for 8080 because that's being used. So for instance, you can make it 7010, 8000, 6000. I just picked 7000, just something simple. You can make it 1234, just whatever port you use inside the virtual machine, the Intro to Android Security Virtual Machine, has to be the same for the emulator. Now, let's get started. So inside my emulator, I'm going to click the button with the 6 dots and I'm going to click Forensic Challenge. This is the challenge here. And let's see, as you can see, our traffic is being captured and it says the app is connecting to rit.edu and looking for the string "so much snow" anywhere on the home page. Alter the page on the fly in order to trick the app into unlocking. So what we're going to do, it captured, so what we're going to click is action, and we're going to say do intercept in response to this request. Then we're going to click forward. And then, so it says, well, first we have a redirect. So it's trying to redirect from http www.rit.edu to https, so the secure version. So, but it's saying we need to connect, and the challenge is looking for "so much snow." So what happens if we add "so much snow" inside of this response? So the reason why we clicked on action, the intercept response, is because remember, with interception proxies, you can change the request on the fly. Meaning, like what we did here, we added "so much snow." You can add things, you can erase things. So let's see if this works. So we added the line here, "so much snow," and we're going to click forward. And as you can see, it completed. The challenge completed. So let's do that again. So again, it captured. So what we're going to say is action do intercept response to this request, and we're going to forward, and we're just going to type "so much snow," and then we're going to forward again. And as you can see, many apps blindly connect to APIs. Let's do this again so we can see what it says. So much snow. Many apps and are vulnerable to this kind of attack. Congrats. Why? Because what we just performed is a man in the middle. That's what an interception proxy is used for, to commit a man in the middle attack. And I explained this a little bit when I was setting up Burp in my previous videos. So what you're doing is, in this instance, I'm capturing my traffic, and everything that I capture is being also being seen inside Burp Suite. So instead of the app going automatically to the server, it's a middle stop of Burp, and it's saying, hey, I have to send this traffic to you. Does everything look good? And in our case, it was like, well, we need to add so much snow, and I don't see it in our response. So let's add it. So that's what we did. We added so much snow. And then it was like, okay, great. We added it. Now we can send it to the server. And by doing that, we completed the challenge, because once the request, went to the server, it was like, oh, I see so much snow and the web page. Oh, that means, it came from me. So let me unlock the challenge. Let me give the challenge complete. So, similar to what I said last week with interception proxies, as a developer, don't put things in like a HTTP request thinking, oh, no one is going to see it. It's going, it's hidden. That's not the case, as we've shown in this example. With interception proxies, anything that goes to a web server, if we have a proxy set up, we will intercept the traffic, and we can see it and modify it on the fly, adding things. In this case, we added so much snow. There's times where we might want to delete things and then send it to the server to see what will return. So again, if there's an interception proxy set up, there are many things we can do, and we can see the requests and response. So again, if you're a developer and you're creating websites or web pages, do not put sensitive information in a HTTP request, because it will be intercepted and modified. So this was a fairly short video, but it covered quite a bit of things with interception proxies and working with Burp, and again, this is just the tip of the iceberg with Burp. We can do so many things. But I hope you learned something in this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Have a good day. Bye.